How to sign in LinkedIn app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sign into your LinkedIn app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, signing into your LinkedIn app is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is just make sure that you actually open the LinkedIn application from your respective app stores, and once you go ahead and download, you just have to go ahead and launch it. Now, once you launch your LinkedIn app, if your account is automatically synced with Google, it will ask you to sign into your Google. But if you don't, then you can just tap the sign in option and make sure to sign in manually using your email address or your password here. Now, if you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password option, or you can choose to log in with any of your social accounts such as your Google, Apple, Facebook, or a one-time link. That's all it takes to sign into LinkedIn app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.